before we delve into our topic today, let's start with a quick show of hands. How many of you are cat enthusiasts or perhaps share your home with your feline companion? As we all know or have at least observed, cats are feline purrs. It sounds like as synonymous with them at their mouth and playful pauses. Have you ever paused to ponder why behind the simple vibrations, what does this resonant rumble truly signify? Today, we're going to embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries of the cat purr, exploring the diverse reasons behind the fascinating feline phenomenon. Firstly, perhaps the most commonly understood, cats purr when they experiencing the feeling of joy and contentment. Think about those moments when you're gently stroking your cat, or when the delectable meal, the air filled with a soft, rhythmic purr and a clear indications of their satisfactions, and it's as if they're vocalizing their delight and saying, "I like this feels good." And this purr is often accompanied by other signs of contentment, such as relaxing posture, slow flying, and perhaps even gentle kneading of the paws on your laps. And a heartwarming style are testament to the point that we share with the wonderful creature. However, the cat's purr is not solely reserved for the moment of happiness. Intriguingly, cats also purr when they are experiencing pain, discomfort, and fear. This might seem counterintuitive, but scientists have proposed that purring can serve a form of self-soothing and even promote healing, and the frequency of the cat's purr, typically between 25 and 130, fall within a range known to stimulate muscle and bone healing. Is theorized that these low frequency vibrations can help reduce pain, promote tissue regenerations, and even improve upon density. In essence, the cat's purr could be a pill of mechanism for self-repair or comforting harm that aids their recovery. So if you observe a cat purring when they injured or unwell, they might be instinctively engage this self-healing process, seeking solace and comfort their own unique way. Furthermore, purring plays a crucial role in the early stage of a kitten of life. Newborn kitten, blind and dependent on their mother, begin purring within a day of birth. This purr serves as a vital communication tool, allowing them to signal their locations and well-being to their mother. Is a way for them to say, "I'm here, I'm safe, and I'm okay." The mother cat in turn purr back, providing the reassurance, the strengthening the bond between herself and her offspring. This early purring establishes the foundations for communication and the connection that extends throughout the cat's life, and it's like a testament to the power of the simple sound in fostering social support and ensuring survival. Beyond the refreshing contentment, healing, and communicating with their mothers, cats may also purr to elicit a response from the human companions. This is particularly true when they are hungry or seeking attention. A cat's solicitation purr often has a higher frequency and more insistent tone, almost resembling a cry. It's a clever static as a human are more likely respond to particular type of purr, mistaking it for a baby's cry. This demonstrates the cat's ability to manipulate the purr for specific purpose, showcasing their intelligence and adaptability. In conclusion, the cat's purr is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon far away than just simple expressions of happiness. It's a language, a healing mechanism, a communication tool, and a means of fostering social bonds. Next time, if you hear your feline friend serenading you and with a gentle crumble, take a moment, appreciate the depth and the complexity of the seemingly simple sound. You will know that you're witnessing a behavior that's deeply engaged in their nature and statement to their resilience, their communication powers, prowess, and their use